Hey everybody, Jason Rouse here with Premier Farm Realty Group and Auction. We're located just 2 miles north of Unionville, Missouri on Highway 5. We're also located roughly 2 miles south of Lake Thunderhead. This property has so many options, we can't even post them all. Right to my side over here, we've got a 5-bedroom, 2-bath, modular home sitting on a block foundation. Behind me is the centerpiece, a 7,680 square foot building. If you're looking for a new church or a new church home, this thing is ready to go. If you're looking for a hunting lodge or a wedding venue, this has all the possibilities you need. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, let's go take a tour of this magnificent building. Just to put this building in perspective, to my right, we have different rooms. We have big rooms, medium rooms, small rooms, half baths, and a kitchen on that end. We go this way, we have many medium-sized rooms, some very large rooms, a kitchen, and half baths. Directly behind me, we have some office space. So if you look to your right, you'll see we've got 2 half baths. And then to your left, you've got 1 medium-sized classroom area or area of your choice. And then we come into the huge sanctuary at this moment. Lots of space. And follow me into the kitchen area. So we've got an oven, stove, sink, whatever you need. And then move into another large area to use however you need. Now let's go look at the east end. You see we've got a classroom right here, or a room of your choice. Down the hall, we've got 3 other medium-sized rooms. Here's another very nice sized room. Decorate as you please. Now we lead into the second kitchen in this building. Again, another 2 half baths and a water fountain. This room was designed for their youth recreation area, which can be enjoyed by anybody. Follow me and I'll show you one of the best parts of this property. How much better does it get than that? You can walk, 30 feet and cast a line? If you have any questions or would like to schedule a tour of this fine property, give me a call, Jason Rouse, at 660-216-9959.